Glass should shatter. Silk should tear. But inside luxury factories, fragility is just a disguise. What you're about to see is beauty engineered to survive. Luxury watches hide their secrets in silence. A raw sapphire looks useless, but artisans grind it down again and again. Sparks fly, heat burns. Polishing wheels erase every flaw. For days, this goes on. And when it's finally ready, that fragile piece of glass can face a hammer and win. Silk, the fabric of kings. It feels soft, delicate, but one strand can be split into 9 invisible fibers, each strong enough to rival steel. Woven together, they create fabrics that shimmer like gold and last for lifetimes. Behind the machines are human hands, polishing crystals under magnifying lamps, sewing threads thinner than hair, adjusting gears so small you'd miss them. These factories are built not on steel and fire, but on patience. Luxury pretends to be fragile. That's the trick. It looks delicate, it feels rare, it whispers exclusivity. But the truth? It's engineered like armor. Stronger than you think, harder than it looks, designed to fool you. So the next time you hold luxury in your hands, remember, you're not holding weakness, you're holding power, disguised as beauty.